Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey to explore the incredible world of health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been cherished for generations, the practice of consuming lemon water early in the morning. Now, before we get started, a quick disclaimer. While lemon water offers numerous potential health benefits, it's important to remember that individual responses can vary. What works for one person might not be suitable for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or daily routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or concerns. Lemon water has remained a cherished beverage for many years, but what makes it so enduringly popular? Beyond its invigorating taste, the world of lemon water is brimming with a multitude of health benefits. Dive in to discover the full spectrum of these advantages. Lemon water, often accompanied by a hint of honey, has earned its place as a daily ritual for countless individuals. Its enduring appeal stems from being hailed as a simple yet effective elixir for bolstering overall health and wellness, particularly when consumed in the morning. Bursting with vitamin C, antioxidants, and a refreshing zest, this citrus-infused concoction offers a plethora of scientifically validated health benefits. Join us as we explore the well-researched advantages of incorporating lemon water into your morning routine. Here, we unveil 11 potential health benefits associated with incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. 1. Boosting hydration. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, and lemon water offers a flavorful way to increase daily water intake. Adequate hydration supports digestion, skin health, and overall bodily functions. 2. Abundant in vitamin C. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that bolsters the immune system, aids in wound healing, promotes collagen production, and maintains healthy skin and connective tissues. It also plays a crucial role in cellular protection. 3. Facilitating digestion. Lemon water kickstarts digestion by promoting the production of digestive juices like bile, aiding in efficient food breakdown. It can alleviate issues such as indigestion and bloating, making it a popular morning ritual. 4. Weight management. Lemon water may aid in weight management by promoting a sense of fullness, reducing appetite, and lowering calorie intake through its fiber and water content. Citric acid in lemons can also support metabolism and digestion, crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. 5. Supporting heart health. Lemon water contributes to heart health by helping lower blood pressure through its potassium content and preventing oxidative damage to arteries with its antioxidants. Maintaining hydration and a healthy weight are key to cardiovascular well-being. If you found this video interesting so far, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. 6. Nurturing radiant skin. Loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, lemon water promotes vibrant skin. It fights skin aging, reducing wrinkles and blemishes, while the hydration it offers keeps skin moisturized and glowing. 7. Kidney stone prevention. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stone formation by increasing urinary citrate levels, which inhibits stone development. However, excessive lemon juice consumption can potentially contribute to kidney stones in some individuals due to its oxalate content. 8. Oral health benefits. Lemon water supports oral health when properly diluted to reduce its acidity, which can erode tooth enamel. It also combats bad breath and gingivitis with its antimicrobial properties. 9. Alkalizing effect. Despite their acidic nature, lemons have an alkalizing effect in the body, helping balance pH levels and create an environment less conducive to disease. 10. Enhanced liver function. Lemon water may promote healthy liver function by supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes. 11. Caffeine-free energy. Instead of relying on caffeine, lemon water provides a natural energy boost, which can help combat fatigue. As we conclude today's exploration of the wonders of lemon water in the morning, I want to remind you to always make informed choices when it comes to your health and well-being. Remember, what works for one person may not be the same for another. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge.